Here's how to remove Chrome managed by your organization. First, let's confirm whether Chrome is actually being managed. Open Google Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and you should see a message saying managed by your organization. If you see this message, it means that Chrome currently has management policies applied to it. You can also check this by clicking the address bar and entering this value, then pressing enter. Under policy name, you'll see any policies currently applied to Chrome. If you see policies listed here, like the one shown on my screen, it's likely that your browser is being managed by a policy. So let's start by trying the simplest solution. Click the 3 vertical dots again and open Settings. From the left-hand side, select Reset Settings, then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. As you can see, resetting Chrome will restore its settings, disable extensions, and remove cookies and other temporary site data. If you're happy to continue, click Reset Settings. Once that's finished, check Chrome again to see whether the Managed by Your Organization message has disappeared. If it's still showing, open the Start menu, search for Registry Editor, and open the application. Once it is opened, from the left-hand side, expand HKey Local Machine. Then expand Software and scroll down until you find Policies. Expand the Policies folder, then open Google. Inside, you should see a folder called Chrome. Right-click the Chrome folder and select Delete. Click Yes to confirm. Once you've removed this folder, close Registry Editor and restart Chrome. Then check again to see whether the message has been removed. If the issue is still there, we can try removing the group policy folders. Open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Here, open the Windows folder. Next, find and open System32. Inside this folder, look for Group Policy. If you see either a Group Policy or Group Policy Users folder, right-click it and select the trash icon to delete it. Once that's done, open the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter gp_update/force and press Enter. Windows will now refresh the group policies on your computer. After the command has finished, restart Google Chrome and check whether the Managed by Your Organization message has disappeared. If you're still seeing the message, there's one final solution you can try. Open the Start menu, search for Program, and open Add or Remove Program. Use the search box to find Chrome. You should see Google Chrome in the list. Click the 3 horizontal dots next to it and select Uninstall. Once Chrome has been completely removed from your computer, reinstall it and then check whether the Managed by Your Organization message is gone. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.